You may sometimes notice your dog limping a little at times, and because you think it's not serious, you ignore it, but dogs can't talk and they can't tell us when they are unwell. Therefore, as pet parents, we need to be more attentive and not ignore these small symptoms. We need to find the cause of our dog's limp. Joint problems are common in dogs, particularly in senior and larger breeds. Although there is no cure for this progressive disease, there are measures we can take to relieve pain in dogs, keep them active, and improve their quality of life. Heat therapy is a great option. Petietec's targeted heating therapy braces can help dogs with arthritis, hip dysplasia, and cruciate ligament disease,